So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can generate Ghibli style photo for free. And for this you will need ChatGPT app. So first of all, install the ChatGPT app on your phone. Once done, launch it. Now currently, I am using free version of ChatGPT. As you can see here, this says Get Plus, which means I am on the free version right now. Now, in the ChatGPT, type the prompt. Create Ghibli art style for the photo I upload. So as you can see here, I have entered the prompt. Now here, tap on this icon. Now once you do this, this will ask you to upload the photo to transform it. For this, tap on this plus icon. Now tap on photos. And now select the photo you want to convert to Ghibli art style. For example, this one. So I will select it. Now tap on done. After this, tap on this icon. Now this will start generating the image. And this will take a few minutes if you're on the free version of ChatGPT. So as you can see here, this generated a Ghibli art style image from the photo I uploaded. To save it, long press it. And now tap on save. And this will save it to the gallery app. So this is how you can generate Ghibli art style for free. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.